Genghis Khan, the most successful conqueror in history, famously declared, "I am the punishment of God. If you had not committed great sins, God would not have sent a punishment like me upon you." During the 12th to 13th centuries, he established one of the largest empires in world history. At its peak, the Mongol Empire covered around 22% of Earth's total land area, including China, Mongolia, Russia, Central Asia, the Middle East, and parts of Eastern Europe. Despite his remarkable achievements, Khan's conquests were marked by brutal means. Ivan the Terrible, ruling Russia from 1533 to 1584, earned his infamous nickname for his ruthless leadership. Notoriously paranoid, he often targeted family members and allies in fits of anger. His reign saw the creation of the Oprichniki, a secret police force responsible for executing suspected dissenters. In 1570, he ordered the massacre of thousands in the city of Novgorod. Despite initiating reforms and expanding Russian territory, Ivan's reign was marked by brutality and instability, leaving a dark legacy in Russian history. Vlad the Impaler Vlad III, also known as Vlad the Impaler, was a 15th century ruler of Wallachia, a region in present-day Romania. His reign was marked by brutal methods of maintaining order, including impalement of enemies and criminals. Vlad's nickname derived from his preferred method of execution, impaling victims on stakes. His cruelty became legendary, inspiring Bram Stoker's fictional character Dracula. Vlad's tactics were effective in deterring invaders and suppressing dissent, but they also instilled fear among his subjects. Despite his infamy, Vlad is celebrated in Romanian folklore as a defender of his homeland against Ottoman expansion, albeit through ruthless means. Elizabeth Bathory, a Hungarian noblewoman born in 1560, is infamous for her alleged serial killings and torture of young women. Accused of murdering hundreds, she purportedly bathed in their blood, believing it would preserve her youth. Though the exact extent of her crimes remains debated, her reputation as the Blood Countess has made her a prominent figure in folklore and horror literature. Bathory's wealth and status shielded her from immediate consequences, but eventually she faced scrutiny and was confined to her castle until her death in 1614. Despite the sensationalism surrounding her, the truth behind her actions remains shrouded in mystery.